So I'm going to try with a flashlight here. The chorus is a bit noisy, so I figured just for the hell of it, I would remove the old chorus chips. So these are the new ones that I bought off of eBay. So you can see they say M3009. Okay. Then it looks like it says another M42. So those are the new chips. The old chips, if we go over to the jack board, say M3009, but it's a pyramid with a 5.6. So I don't know if these new chips are fake. Touching them, they feel completely brand new. So they definitely haven't been pulled from anything. So what I'm going to do, right here, I'm going to desolder those babies. Going to put a socket in. I'm going to test the chips and see if they aren't a little bit quieter. And it's possible maybe it just needs a good calibration. Here you can also see I've recapped the power supply, which is extremely easy to do. I'm hoping that's going to make a big improvement in the sound. And here's my panel board. Those dust covers really need to be replaced. But I emailed Syntegrator a couple times to try to get the pattern from him, and I couldn't. And so those are just going to stay for now. And then on the HS-60, the buttons are all gray, but you can see they still discolor. Now, I was toying around with the idea of dyeing them orange, possibly. I thought that might look nice, but I haven't. So basically, where I'm at right now, I need to get that panel reattached, which is going to take some work. Because as you see, I had to unsolder the power cord, which won't be too big of a deal, but still a lot of screws I got to get back in place and get the cover back on. I'm very curious to hear how the new power supply sounds. Do my chorus test. And I'm looking here. So the chorus calibration. So my issue is that I'm getting a little bit of noise in the chorus. If the amp is above halfway, I get some distortion in the chorus, some crackling. So I'm thinking maybe it's not calibrated correctly. I don't have an oscilloscope, and I know the procedure, the Roland procedure, is to insert a sine wave into the chorus and just check the shape of the wave. So based on that type of alignment, I think I am just going to do the test by ear and make careful observation of where the trim pot is set and adjust it by ear and see if I can get rid of the clipping and see if that makes a difference. And also, once I socket these MN3009 BBDs in and see how that goes.